How to turn off contacts on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Instagram application. After that, tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then tap on the menu bar from your top right. After that, you will see an option of your information and permission. Simply go to account information and permission from account center. Scroll down and go to your information and permission. After that, go to upload contacts. And then, if you want to turn off contacts on Instagram, what you will have to do is turn this contact syncing button off and disconnect it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.